Right, so I decided to split this video into two parts. It was called for something important, so I had to go. So, yeah, anyways, let's get back to this.
Is Bill there? Yeah. You want to head down, see how he's getting on? Okay.
Hope I'm going the right way.
Yeah. How you getting on?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You sure?
Of course.
Can I help a little?
All right. Go ahead.
So that was
Set up
Bill's
the
horse.
detonator
Oh,
by
I really
this
like
rock
Bill's
over
horse,
there.
sorry.
Okay, sure.
Now just unspool the wire and then attach it to said detonator.
So I really like Bill's horse, sorry. That's what I meant to say. Bill's horse is probably my favorite. That big hunk. Oof. I would love to have a horse like that. I'm probably going to end up having a war horse at the end of this series. Likely, so yeah. Let's be connected.
Okay, this is good.
All right. That should do it. You head back up to the others. I got it from here.
Okay, boy. Just be ready to move quick, and remember the plan. All of you, no mistakes. What's going on? He says all fine.
We'll soon find out.
Everything
Excuse
okay?
me.
I think so.
I think our train's
cover
coming.
your faces. Train should be here any minute now.
Alright, here we go.
Gentlemen, it's time. Good luck, all of you. You all know what to do.
Here we go. Shit! No! What? God!
Oh, you have got to be kidding me. Where did you find that? Moru said it was fine.
my fault.
Come on! You're pathetic. You know that? Here we go! Here we go!
Oh no, Javier fell off. Come on here, Lanny.
Pull me up! I got you. Now stop yelling.
I didn't got him.
You're okay.
Right there.
Now, let's go slow this thing down.
Where's Javier?
He fell. The others will get him. Come on, we need to stop this train.
Delete this guy here. Oh! This time. Why can't I take out my gun?
Keep moving!
Lanny, go up.
Here we go.
Did someone blow their brains out?
Should we move up?
I don't even know why my head
Shouldn't we
shot.
push up?
You all right?
What is wrong with you boys? Kill him! Kill that bastard!
Here. How you doing there?
I'm okay.
What the?
That's what we're doing, kid.
I ain't got a clear shot. I'm going up. We have to stop this train.
That guy took my head. I'm gonna go take it first. There we go. I really need that. Got some people coming, I think.
Look out! Got more coming off the truck.
Whoa! That's how we use Deadeye, boys.
Still okay?
I think so.
Good.
Damn, he's got an arm. Who is this
Doing
guy?
good, kid.
Shoot him. Shoot him.
Where the hell are the others?
I don't know. You want to pine rock? Good job, brother. Damn it. I thought that was all of them.
We're gonna get out of this.
Oh, I know we are. There's the other boys. There's still more coming off the train.
Come on, clean this up, boys. Let's get on it. Good shooting, kid.
I can see now why the O'Driscolls brought so many boys out here for this.
Arthur, get over here. You two all right? Yes, let's get the money and go. We got some fellas holed up in this last car. Ah, shit. What are you boys planning on doing in there?
I don't even know
Listen
what I
to
got
me.
from that.
We don't want to kill any of you. Any more of you. I give you my word, but trust me, we will.
I work for Leviticus Corps.
Come on, boys.
We got our orders.
Okay, you asked for it.
We ain't
5,
opening this door.
4, 3, 2, 1. Seems our friends have gone deaf. Wake them up a little. That's enough. Mr. Williamson, give Mr. Morgan and Mr. Smith some dynamite. You two boys go blow that door open. Now, it don't matter too much to us, but you boys in there might want to take a step back.
Seems good enough. Now light the fuse.
No, do we have to? Oh,
Here we go.
Unless you got a death wish, I'd step back, fellers.
I don't know how our horses are not frightened by that. All right, let's get this guy
All
out.
right, come on. Just walk on out here.
Get out! Get out!
We don't want to kill you. We just want to rob your boss. Get on up there. Search that.
Damn it, Micah!
Look at this place. It's like a palace.
Now I've seen everything. Oh, you two got the safe? I'll search the rest.
Oh, yes. Should be easy as cake.
All right, got a letter over here.
Stand there, kid. Pour me some brandy, will ya? I'm parched.
Mr. Cornwell, we're yet to
Me and
receive a
Arthur
payment of
did all the
$2,000 for the
work.
initial
Yeah, kid
phase
did
of
good.
exploration at the
Didn't see
PT
you
Indian
rushing to jump
Reservation,
on that train.
Amberino.
He's
As agreed in the
keen.
contract
I'll
between
give you
Cornwall,
that.
Kerosene, and Tar and the Leland Oil
Okay.
Development Company dated
See if
November
we
9,
can get this
1868. On
open.
receipt of the funds, we will proceed with phases 2 and 3 of the project and present you with a detailed report of your findings within the month. Yours respectfully, James.
Getting
Okay,
there.
some random guy. All right, let's put this away.
There.
Oh, we got some
See?
brandy.
That's how it's done. Shit. Just a pile of papers.
Bonds?
I don't think so. Here.
You
Make
can't take
yourself
any more
useful. At
cigars.
least we all know you can read. Give me those. Railroad contracts, invoices, blah, blah, blah. You got anything?
Nothing in
Not
there.
really. Sugar imports from the Spanish West Indies. A lot of sugar.
We got a chest in there,
Fancy
but
new boaties ordered from
I'm
Europe.
trying to see if I can get anything else.
I am not robbing another boat as long as I live.
Got some cash. Oof.
Have you checked all the drawers and cabinets?
This is I think this is where the bond is.
Look it in there.
Think I got him.
Nice.
Thank God. Come on.
We just robbed a train. That's crazy.
What did you find?
These bonds. They worth anything?
Oh, sure. Bearer bonds. I think we can probably sell these pretty easily. Well done. Now, would you get rid of all of this?
The train?
Yeah, get it out of here.
What about them?
What do you think?
I don't know.
It's up to you. Kill them, leave them here, take them with you on the train. Just make sure they don't send no folk after us.
Okay.
See you back at camp. When you get back, we'll be moving on. The rest of you, let's ride!
All right, so they're here leaving us to take care of these guys.
Okay. Get on the train. Quick. All of you. Any bright ideas, I kill all three. So behave. Come on. Move.
If I hear so much as a footstep from this car, you'll end up like all your friends out here.
We won't tell a soul, I swear.
Get a move on.
You can loot all these guys actually. Let's just loot my friend here. $0.59. All right. All right. Well, that's probably gonna be the last person we're gonna loot for now. There's just too many people around here to loot. All right. Let's That was pretty crazy. Although I don't want to kill anyone. I feel we shouldn't be killing innocent people who are just caught in the crossfire. You know? There's no need. We can kill the evil people, the bad guys, but we have to leave these people to chill and not, you know.
For Lord's sake, put that book away and go help.
Be rude to them or anything.
So, we getting out of this hellhole?
I'm gonna put
We're
the
gonna
volume up a
try.
bit.
Weather seems stable.
And we just robbed the Leviticus Cornwall train.
We got money in our pockets. The worst is behind us, gentlemen. So the question is, where now?
I know this country a little. I told you, we should set up camp in Horseshoe Overlook near Valentine. We'll be able to hide out there no problem, as long as we keep our noses clean.
Well, then let's go. Clean noses and everything else. Arthur, you're in that one. Bring Hosea. I know you two like to talk about the good old days and what's gone wrong with old Dutch.
Shut up and go do your job.
Alright, we're leaving this hellhole. Let's go, guys. Getting the hell out of here. That's what we like to see. Yup. Alright, let's get the hell out of here. It's boring here as it is. Music. boys. We're going back into civilization. Probably gonna get ourselves tan a little.
Lenny!
Still.
Micah, get over here!
Yes, boss.
You two ride up ahead, make sure there's no surprises. We've had enough of those.
Me with the boy?
Just go.
Come on, kid. You can buy me a whiskey.
Micah is kind of weird, but I feel that there's something else about this guy. I feel that he might be good at heart, but I could be wrong. You always have that one friend who's kind of like, you know, just a weirdo, but you never know. Got 2 white horses. I don't know if you guys can see.
Get us
Yeah.
out the stream.
But our left field doesn't look that great.
Gotta keep us moving, but calm. Not too rough there, brother.
Ah, shit.
Okay, let's take a look.
You all right back there? Does everything look all right?
Well, what's going on?
Ah, I broke the goddamn wheel.
All right, let's get it fixed.
You need help?
I reckon we can handle it.
Alright, let's take care of this.
All right, Charles, you and me hold the thing up while you try and put the wheel back on, Arthur.
You still strong enough to hold up a wagon?
Shut up.
I'm just saying.
Don't say less. Pick the wheel up. Nearly there. There.
See? You ain't so useless after all.
Not quite.
What do you think?
Ooh,
they
we got
weren't
some
in trouble.
Indians.
We wouldn't have seen him.
Poor bastards. We really screwed them over down here. Come on, let's not push our luck.
Let's
What
get the
happened?
hell out of here.
Well, get in. I'll tell you. Not too far now. Stay on this trail. We'll follow the river, then cut left inland.
Oh, that's pretty awesome.
Yes. The Indians in these parts got sold a very raw deal. This is the heartlands we're going to. Good farming and grazing country. They lost it all. Stolen clean away from them it was, every blade of grass. Killed or herded up to the reservations in the middle of nowhere.
How's that different from anywhere else?
Well, maybe it's not. I just heard some of the army out here was particularly
It was kinda beautiful.
unpleasant about it.
Unpleasant? How do you rob and kill people pleasantly? We don't, in spite of Dutch's talk.
I fear I was perhaps trying to simplify something more complicated for the benefit of our block-headed driver here.
Hey, don't blame it on me. Never forget, this here's a con man, Charles, born and bred. Just 'cause it sounds fancy don't mean he knows a damn thing about what he's talking about. Yep.
That was kind of rude to my
So-
boy Hosea.
What happened to your tribe?
I don't even know if I have one. At least, not that I can remember. My father was a colored man. He told me he lived with our people for a while. A number of free men did, but when we were forced to move from our lands, the 3 of us fled. I was too young to really remember much. My whole life I've been on the run. A couple years later, some soldiers
You know,
captured my
how
mother.
shown by the flashing
Took her
sun icon
somewhere.
on your health core.
We never saw her again.
Right. Make sure you wear clothes
drifted
to protect the
around.
environment. Okay,
He was
that's
a very
realistic.
sad
Wow.
man, and the drink had a mean hold on him. Around 13, I just took off on my own.
I like the way that that's.
That was about the age we found young Arthur here. Maybe a little older. A wilder delinquent you never did see. But he learned fast.
Not as fast as Marston, apparently.
Wait, I don't understand. What's the problem between you two?
Arthur?
It's a long story. We still heading the right way?
That depends. Are we still heading west in search of fortune and repose in virgin forests as we planned? No. Are we heading in the correct direction on our desperate escape from the law eastwards down the mountains? Yes, I believe so.
You know this area?
A little. I've been through a couple of times. There's a livestock town not too far from here called Valentine. Cowboys, outlaws, working girls, our kind of place.
Damn, that sounds
Driscoll's?
nice.
Probably them too.
Pinkertons?
Let's hope not.
And this place we're going. Wait, what's it called again?
Horseshoe Overlook.
It's a good place to lie low?
It'll do for now. And how low do you think Dutch is really going to lie? It's just, you know, maybe it's me who's changed, not him, but we kept telling him that ferry job didn't feel right. You and me had a real lead in Blackwater that could have worked out.
Maybe.
It just isn't like Dutch to lose his head like that.
Things go wrong sometimes. People die. It's the way it is. Always has been. Me, you, Dutch. We've all been in this line of work a long time. And we're still here, so... I figure we must have got it right a hell of a lot more than we got it wrong. What are you working on there, anyway?
Just some yarrow and ginseng. Good for the health. Better than that stuff you buy in the store. Yeah, you can have all this. I'm at the point where I can do it with my eyes closed.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Yeah.
Got some ginseng. This leads me to the potential course. Interesting. That's good. Whoa! Hey, what the hell just happened? What? Oh my god, just because I hit it on the side? Great. This is why, kids, you gotta draft properly, draft safely, and don't do things like that. Because that's what happens when you're an idiot and you do stuff. Alright? Gotta drive like a pro boy, gotta look at all roads and all signs. If you're going a little bit too fast, maybe hit the road. Okay, we're all the way back up here. And our horse has changed as well.
Stay on this trail. We'll follow the river, then cut left inland. So, yes, the Indians in these parts got sold a very raw deal. This is the heartlands we're going to. Good farming and grazing country, they lost it all. Stolen clean away from them it was, every blade of grass. Killed or herded up to the reservations in the middle of nowhere.
I am going to
How's
see you
that
guys when I
different
get
from
there,
anywhere else?
to be honest.
Well,
Because this
maybe
is
it's not.
just embarrassing,
I
to be
just
honest.
heard some of the army out here was
I'm gonna have to try to
particularly
get rid of some of
unpleasant
this stuff
about
out.
it.
Unpleasant? How do you rob and kill people pleasantly? We don't, in spite of Dutch's talk.
I fear I was perhaps trying to simplify something more complicated for the benefit of our block-headed driver here.
Hey, don't blame it on me. Never forget, this here's a con man, Charles, born and bred. Just 'cause it sounds fancy don't mean he knows a damn thing about what he's talking about. So, what happened to your tribe?
I don't even know if I have one. At least, not that I can remember. My father was a colored man. He told me he lived with our people for a while. A number of free men did. When we were forced to move from our lands, the three of us fled. I was too young to really remember much. My whole life I've been on the run. A couple years later, some soldiers captured my mother. Took her somewhere. We never saw her again. We drifted around. He was a very sad man, and the drink had a mean hold on him. Around 13, I just took off on my own.
That was about the age we found young Arthur here. Maybe a little older. A wilder delinquent you never did see. But he learned fast.
Not as fast as Marston, apparently.
Wait, I don't understand. What's the problem between you two?
Arthur?
It's a long story. We still heading the right way?
That depends. Are we still heading west in search of fortune and repose in virgin forests as we planned? No. Are we heading in the correct direction on our desperate escape from the law eastwards down the mountains? Yes, I believe so.
You know this area?
A little. I've been through a couple of times. There's a livestock town not too far from here called Valentine. Cowboys, outlaws, working girls, our kind of place.
The Driscolls?
Probably them too.
Pinkertons?
Let's hope not.
And this place we're going. Wait, what's it called again?
Horseshoe Overlook.
It's a good place to lie low.
It'll do for now. And how low do you think Dutch is really going to lie? It's just, you know, maybe it's me who's changed, not him, but we kept telling him that ferry job didn't feel right. You and me had a real lead in Blackwater that could have worked out.
Maybe.
It just isn't like Dutch to lose his head like that.
Things go wrong sometimes. People die. It's the way it is. Always has been. Me, you, Dutch. We've all been in this line of work a long time. And we're still here, so... I figure we must have got it right a hell of a lot more than we got it wrong. What are you working on there, anyway?
Just some yarrow and ginseng. Good for the health. Better than that stuff you buy in the store. Yeah, you can have all this. I'm at the point where I can do it with my eyes closed.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
There you are, brother.
Alright.
Head in there.
Back.
Follow the track for a bit.
So we made it kind of close to the place now.
Thanks.
Hey, slow up. I'll jump on.
So our boy Javier.
Okay, let's go.
Alright, let's get to Horseshoe Overlook.
Any trouble getting in here, Javier?
Nope. It went well. This is a good spot.
Excellent. I think this will work for us, Arthur. For now, anyway.
Now we're at our location. Horseshoe Overlook. Welcome, boys and girls.
Here we are, gentlemen. Home sweet home.
You weren't wrong, Hosea. This place is perfect.
I hope so.
Gentlemen, we have survived.
For now.
Now, it is time to prosper.
Arthur and I were about to prosper in Blackwater. We were onto something big. Then Micah got you all excited about that ferry, and here we are.
We have all made mistakes over the years,
So I
Hosea.
wasn't gonna keep getting
Every last
disturbed.
one of
It's
us.
okay.
But I kept us together. Kept us alive. Kept the nooses off our neck.
I guess I'm just worried. I ain't got that long, Dutch. I want folks safe before I go.
Me too.
And now we are stuck east of the Grizzlies and out of money, and a long way from our dream of virgin land in the west.
I know, my brother. But we are safe. We make a bit of money here. Then we move again. Head out around them. Be west of Uncle Sam. In a few months, buy some land.
I hope so.
Would you just look around you? This world has its consolations.
Gentlemen, I'm going to head into the local town and, see if I can strike up a little business.
Of course, Herr Strauss.
Okay, his name is Harry
I prefer
Strauss.
robbing banks to usury.
Alright.
Seems more dignified somehow. Now, everyone, put your tools down for a moment. Come on, gather round. Quickly now. I know that things have been tough, but we are safe now, and we are far too poor. So it is time for everyone to get to work.
Get to work, but stay out of trouble. Remember, we are itinerant workers.
Laid off when they shut down our factory to the north. Now get out there and see what you can find. Uncle, Reverend Swanson, no more passengers. It is time for everyone to earn their keep.
There is a town a little way down the track named Valentine. Livestock town, all mud and morons, if I remember right. That seems a decent place to start.
And, we need food. Real food. That means every day. One of you.
And remember, whatever it is that you find, the camp
Donate money
gets
and valuables
its
to camp to upgrade
slice.
ammo, food, and other camp supplies.
Now be sensible out there.
The girls have your tent ready, Mr. Morgan. Come with me. You two will be ready shortly. We put you over here.
I'm sure everything will be fine, Miss Grimshaw.
It should be. Most of your stuff from Blackwater got saved.
Everything apart from my money.
Oh, don't remind me.
Well, we can always make more money.
We're gonna have to. Miss Jackson!
Alright, sleep,
I've
shave,
seen
change,
shit with more common
clothes, or
sense
store
than you.
weapons in the
Do it
weapon locker
properly.
at your tent. Alright. Awesome. Chapter 2, Horseshoe Overlook. Alright, let's go. So I'm gonna have to see if I can split up the videos because I got interrupted quite a few times. But I think it should be okay. Couple of weeks later. We are a few weeks later now. Let's see what goes on here.
We got off the mountain and rode east into some pretty enough country called the Heartlands. Ain't been this far east in many a year. Dutch seems a little better. His eyes are sparkling once more, and I can see he's thinking a little clearer. I think we all feel a little happier, despite of Blackwater and that whole mess.
Arthur?
Hosea?
Eat, drink, and rest.
Quite a
mentally,
day.
of course.
Let's hope so.
There's a bunch of the boys already in Valentine. Bill, Charles, and Javier. And Swanson found something down at the train station by the lake, apparently. And Strauss came back with that creepy little smile on his face. I'm sure there's a whole list of unfortunates he's forced money upon.
Thank you. And you?
I'm gonna read a book.
Alright. So, we've got a lot of missions here. Let's go here on the map. And this is our map. As you guys can see, we've got everything over here. Not exactly everything yet. We got most of the stuff. So we've got a mission down here. Reverend Swanson. And then we got a mission here. Uncle. And then we got a Javier mission over here. So we got 1, 2, 3 missions to do. Okay. Anyways, guys, the next 2 videos are gonna be pretty short. I think I'm gonna try to see what I can do. But let's shave, cause we need to trim. All right. Let's see. No, I don't want to. I think number 2 is pretty good. Ooh. We have no problem to apply. Okay. Cut our beard a bit. Let's see if we've got any clothes or any type of change clothing. Alright. Outfits. The gunslinger. The summer gunslinger. The winter gunslinger. Ooh, the Gracie's outlaw. Brawler's outfit. The ruffian. The rebel. The innocent. The pursuer. Ooh, I like that one. We got some more hats.
Miss Jones.
Hi, Pearson.
This one fits a little better. Alright. We have coats, obviously. If you ever need it for the winter, we got that. Plus vests, we don't need that. Got some shirts. Some better, get some of those better ones. Suspenders. We don't think we need those. Gonna get ourselves some more shinier boots, maybe. Oh, deluxe relentless boots. Alright. Hey, what? They're not. I don't think I. There we go. Alright, what else have we got? Masks, bandanas, neckwear, weapon equipment. Yeah, so we got a lot of stuff here. Satchels. We can also change the color. I think we can change what our saddle looks like. Alright. We're good. We're looking a little bit more, I would say, cooler, I guess. But anyways. I think that does it for the video, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. The last two videos are going to be a little bit shorter than usual because just because I had a little bit of stuff recording everything and stuff. So this one might only be like a few minutes. So yeah. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.